why did they not push it to the limit talaga of what it could possibly be as an emotional
Yeah.
movie? It's a safe movie. Parang ganun yung na-feel
Mm.
ko.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Parang, alam, ang dami niyang potential, pero parang I think it decided not to really rock the boat so much.
I have the similar thoughts,
Mm-mm.
and
Oo.
one of the major ones relating to that is this
Oo.
looks like a commercial.
Ang ganda-ganda ng cast, bakit niyo sinayang? Yun yung
Mm.
feeling ko. I guess that also relates to what Chancy is saying about like, they didn't push it hard enough. Wala na ako emotional connection to any of the characters
Mm-mm.
of all the stories. Bakit ganun? Alam mo yun? Yun
Mm-mm.
yung frustrating.
Oo.
Like, ang gagaling
Oo.
nila. I think the
Mm-mm.
shot, it was beautifully shot. Pero bakit ang bitin?
Oo.
Ano ba yun? Bakit ganyan?
1, 2, Sarang!
Hey!
Annyeong, it's Chancy!
Hello, this is Pia.
Hi, this is Monica, and welcome to another fun episode of 1, 2, Sarah!
Yes! Hello sa ating mga
Woo!
Sarang Bay na very fun.
Yes, the funnest of all of them. Hindi
Right!
na pala siya famdom. Fundom na
Fundom!
siya.
Fundom.
Tama!
Oo.
Di ba merong fun ranch pala yun? Layo. Never mind. Because it's such a fun recording night, guys. Everything's just gonna be fun. And today, we are gonna have so much fun talking about a fun question mark film. Is it or is it not? So for our 100-second, tama bang grammar ko?
Yes.
Basta, for our 100 plus episode, we are gonna be talking about a film. Fun mon. A film that was released kinda not recently, pero pwede na, on Netflix. And the moment we found out na meron siyang release, sabi talaga namin, oh my gosh, we have to watch it. Because there was so much buzz about it when it was released in Korea, right?
Yes.
Particularly our favorite, Sebongi. Syempre, kailangan mo-mention sila in every episode.
Naman.
Sung Kwan
Oo.
and Sung Chol, they attended the premiere of this film. So, ayun. Sabi talaga namin, we have to watch it and we wanted to talk about it, whether or not we liked it or not. Hala, pangit grammar. But anyway, fun. For today, we are gonna be talking about Wonderland.
Woo, Wonderland.
Wonderland.
Whoosh,
Uh-huh.
Wonderland. Aha.
Yes.
So, sana napanood nyo na yung film na to. Or kung hindi pa, try to watch this film. Not so sure if this is gonna be a completely spoiler-free episode. Probably not. So, kung gusto nyo siyang mapanood at ayaw nyo mas-spoil, do watch it first and then come back. Because
Correct.
Yes,
I
let's
feel
go.
like this is gonna be a very, very meaty and fun conversation on the film. But if you have seen it already, perfect. Let's talk about it. And that is what we are going to be talking about today. Ang tanong ko for this episode for us, the three of us, cutting to the chase, syempre after watching the film, I saw that there were a lot of mixed reviews in the film.
Mhm.
The audiences were really divided, as in polar opposites, na gusto nila, ayaw nila. But napansin ko na sobrang common that they all were left with questions after watching the film. So my first question is, for the three of us, what was the biggest question that came to you after watching this movie?
Mm.
But before answering that, sabihin niyo na rin if you like the movie or not. So, isa-isa kaming sasagutin yung dalawang tanong na yon at the same time. And finally, after all that discussion, I also want to ask this. Do we think that we are headed towards the kind of future world that the film presents? And do we even want to get there? What kind of future world is this? Let's find out.
Ooh,
Mhm.
interesting.
I know. So, syempre, because this is a review episode, we want to talk about the film a little bit. And this is the synopsis that I came across. The film is a sci-fi fantasy drama that centers around Wonderland, a simulated universe service created to allow people to interact with digital versions of deceased loved ones or those in similar conditions. These interactions are powered by advanced artificial intelligence and are closely monitored by two controllers who oversee the virtual world, ensuring that the user experience is seamless and emotionally fulfilling. The film follows multiple stories. A woman, played by Tang Wei, who, because of her impending death, signs up for the service, the Wonderland service, to be able to retain her relationship with her young daughter. We also have a young woman, played by Bei Suzy, who, longing to reunite with her comatose boyfriend, played by Park Bo-gum, seeks solace in Wonderland, hoping to relive memories and share moments that were lost to his condition. We also have a grandmother who works extra hours to retain her continued care for her dead grandson. So, as mentioned earlier, the virtual interactions are orchestrated and controlled by two gatekeepers played by Choi Woo-sik and Jung Yumi, who manage simulations and guide the participants through their emotional journeys. Ang haba nito, wow. The film explores themes of love, loss, memory, and the human desire to reconnect with those who are gone. It delves into the ethical implications of using technology to alter reality and the emotional complexities that arise when one can interact with digital versions of loved ones. Wonderland is a deeply emotional and thought-provoking film, that examines how far people will go to hold on to their connections and the consequences of blurring the line between reality and fantasy. Wow.
Wow. Love
A
it.
very, very long synopsis, analysis,
But very comprehensive.
very comprehensive. And if I might say, because of the theme of this movie, I actually got this from ChatGPT.
I love it!
Oh! Yes, our
Sakto.
friend, our bestie,
Yes.
ChatGPT.
I know, bestie. Kasi parang, nung inisip ko, okay, hanap tayo ng synopsis. But wait, we know an AI friend.
Correct.
natin sa kanya. I mean, gamitin na natin tong
And in
simulation na to.
theme.
At dahil in
Oo.
theme nga siya sa pelikula,
Yeah,
diba? O,
exactly.
diba? Anyway, back to about the film. This film was written and directed by Kim Tae-yong, and it consists of a very, very, very stellar cast. Na
Yes.
medyo insane, guys. As
Yeah.
in, hindi ko alam kung na-feel nyo yun, pero
Yeah.
ako, no, nakita ko pala yung billing even before watching it. Para,
Exactly.
puta, anong klaseng casting to at anong klaseng budget to? Para medyo wild to.
Wow.
Correct.
Yes.
We have Tang Wei, who plays Bai Li, the mom who died and decided to take the service on for her daughter. Tang Wei is this magnificent actress, and we know her from Lost Caution and Decision to Leave. Absolute favorite. Fun fact. Kasi fun.
Yes, because it's from Fun Monica.
I know. Tang Wei is actually married to the director Kim Tae-yong. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin kasi fun. We also have Suzy Bae. Of course, we know her. And Park Bo-gum, who plays the lover. Si Park Bo-gum nga, yung comatose character. And in the movie, Suzy Bae's character turned him into an astronaut. Like, she sent him to space. So, yun yung naging wonderland niya for him. We have Jung Yumi and Choi Woo-sik, our favorite people. I don't know. They're two of my
Yeah.
favorite people because we are such
Yeah.
fan of their show.
Jenny's Kitchen.
Yeah, Jenny's Kitchen.
Yes.
Coming from, what's the first one? Before
Yun
Jenny.
Our beloved summer.
Yun.
Yun stay.
Yun stay. Yeah. So these two are lovely. And Choi Woo-shik, always so lovely. It's always fun to see him on
Yes.
screen. We also have ang dakilang laging may cameo, Gong Yoo.
Hanggang cameo na lang talaga siya ngayon.
Diba? Na nag-English dito.
Masyadong
Oo.
mahal kasi. So, cameo na
Correct.
lang.
Cameo na lang.
Correct. We also have Nina Po. Who is she? She plays Bailey's mom. And apparently, she is a well-respected actress from Hong Kong. As in, nasa ano siya?
Ah.
Upper crust of Hong Kong
Kitang-kita
cinema.
naman.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
There was this particular scene that I want to talk about later na parang, pak, may pitik siya. Parang, galing ni ma'am. May ganun. We have Choi Moo-sung. Ito na yung mga sub-characters natin who plays Lee Yong-shik. He is the guy who, short lang naman yung scenes niya, pero parang para mapakita yung process of Wonderland, siya yung nagbigay ng mga wishes niya kung ano yung gusto niyang Wonderland before he passed on. And then later on, we saw that he got his Hawaiian dreams. Like, that's where he retired to. We know him from Good Bad Mother. He's the bad guy.
Reply
Yeah.
1988.
Yeah, in Reply 1988. He's
Ang
always the
tatay
bad
ni
guy.
Park Bogum.
Tama. Oo nga. Oh yeah. Oo nga, no. Hala, ngayon ko lang siya na-realize. They're all
I
connected.
love him.
I
Yeah.
know.
Such a good
He's
actor.
really, really good. We also have Song Byung-suk, who plays the harmony of Tang Jung-sang, who plays Jin-gu. He is also one of my favorite
Yes.
characters. We've seen him from
Yeah.
Chloe, Move to Heaven, and Rocket Boys. Sobrang awesome ng
Yes.
character niya. Siya yung dead person, pero nag-Hamlet siya, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Siya si Move to Heaven, guy.
Oh.
Sobrang
Heaven.
exceptional
Yes.
acting in Move to Heaven.
Yes.
So as you can see, this cast is just phenomenal. And
Correct.
obviously, well, ako especially, there was so much expectations coming into this, like watching into this. So, diretso na tayo. Guys, did you like the film? And ano yung pinaka malaking question na nakuha nyo from watching this film? Let's start with Trency.
Okay. Me. Recently watched. Okay. So, matagal na nga to, but in preparation nga for our review, syempre, tiniming natin na medyo mas recent natin siya mapapanood. Diba? So,
Para
fresh na fresh pa ang aking mga thoughts. So, for me, I actually, kung out of 100, I would say I am at a 65% for this show. So, I didn't
Ooh.
not like it. It was okay. And I think in relation to this, yung question ko, for me is, the show, as you've mentioned nga in your summary of what it's all about, parang it's like deeply emotional and all that stuff. Pero for me, when I watched it, I asked, why did they not push it to the limit talaga of what it could possibly be as an emotional
Yeah.
movie?
Yeah.
So coming from there for me, I mean, I guess the show kasi is very existential. May ganun siya eh. Parang it reminds me nga of like a lot of feelings, for example, when I watch Black Mirror, 'di ba? I mean, Black Mirror naman kasi parang alam mo yun, parang medyo
Sci-fi.
mas it's not supposed to be emotional in a way. Alam mo yun, pero parang it could be that. Pero and it kind of also reminds me of yung what's that movie, Tree of Life ba yun? Yung nandun si Hugh Jackman.
Yeah.
May ganung
Oo.
klaseng pull sa'yo. It tries to make you think of like who you are as a person and like all the emotions that you have and all that stuff. But yun nga, parang in general, maybe I'll go into detail na lang as to why this is my feelings of the show. Of the film, rather. Parang it didn't try to really push the limit as to the ethical problems that this technology has on people. Alam mo, it tried, pero parang hindi niya masyadong nilabas or pinush. Like, for example, like, kunyari yung kay Bae Suzy character. Parang for me, siya na yung parang may siya tsaka yung sa kay Harmony story. Parang yun na yung pinapakita lang parang may pinaka-ethical discourse doon. Kasi parang, when she said na parang siya paling nag-create ng world na yun for him, parang for me, oh my God, like talagang minanipulate niya yung world na yun.
Yeah.
Para, alam mo yun, for her own gain. Like, it was not even his choice. Alam mo yun? Pero she took the information of his life and then made it into, like, this AI embodiment of who he is. Alam mo yun? Na parang, and which becomes so confusing when Park Bo-gum suddenly awakens. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun? Na parang, hala, gumawa ka ng alternate me, tapos nakipag sort of affair ka na rin sa kanya in a way.
Correct.
For a time.
Mm.
Oo.
Parang that's such a, alam mo yun, sobrang daming emotions na pwedeng ipasok dun. Pero parang feeling ko hindi nila na-push to what it could possibly be and bring out. And parang it makes you think about these existential thoughts. Pero it it failed to really reach too deep. Parang it kind of, parang it's a safe movie. Parang ganun yung na-feel ko. Parang, alam, ang dami niyang potential. Pero parang I think it decided not to really rock the boat so much. Parang yun yung nafe-feel ko about it.
Was it because of anything in particular, like, I don't know, the writing, maybe the treatment? Because I have the similar thoughts, and one of the major ones relating to that is this looks like a commercial, a Hyundai commercial even. Parang it's so clean, it's so
It
parang
does.
I mean, films like that are okay, diba? But somehow it didn't feel like it was a good okay. Parang it didn't work for this one. Kasi masyado siyang forced clean, masyado siyang, I don't know, parang fake. Ang fake masyado.
Correct. Super gets. Actually, kasi nga, diba, parang they're always showing two worlds, diba? The AI world and the real world. But I'm trying to see the difference of how they're portraying each world. Pero parang, in general, it all looks the same. Parang it's the same kind of like filtered view of the world. Alam mo yon, parang kumbaga rose-colored glasses lahat. Parang, what's that? Sorry, may natandaan akong film bigla eh. My brain's not working. Anyway, basta the premise of that show, of that film is, parang, you can bring this person into the AI world and then you can create a life with them there. Pero parang you can see the difference kasi of that AI world and the real world. That the real world is like gritty, and then the AI world is like so perfect. Ito yung kay Harry Styles. The movie with Harry Styles and
Don't
what's
Worry,
her name?
Darling.
Don't Worry, Darling. Yes, exactly. So actually, medyo Don't Worry, Darling nga yung vibe.
Oh, hindi ko
I mean,
pa
in
napapanood
terms of
yun,
the
Don't
plot
Worry.
line, parang ganun.
I haven't seen it either.
Oo, parang ganun yung
Yun
feel
pala
niya.
yun. Okay.
Oo. So parang, so yun. So parang yun nga nagkulang. But I think, going back to your question, for me, baka it's also the writing. Parang that didn't really push it talaga. Pero maganda kasi. Ang ganda ng premise. Like, I love so many moments in this film. Like, yung as in top of mind, yung pinakagusto kong scene dito is like yung sinabihan na yung character ni Gong Yoo na I don't know, is he like, was he a real life person before? Or is he
Walang
like
sinabi.
AI?
He's
Walang
a Siri.
sinabi. He's a
He's a
Siri.
Or a
Siri.
Bixby.
Oo.
He's
Parang
Scarlett
ganun siya.
Johansson.
Or Alexa.
Oo,
Correct.
parang ganun siya. And then yung sinabihan na siya na parang we're shutting her service down, yung kay Bailey. And then kumakain sila, he leaves her to get that news, and then he comes back, she's not there. And then he finds her listening to this song that she sings to her child. Tapos sumasayaw siya, but everything was caught, parang kumbaga shot.
Dun sa
Nila yung
mirror.
Distorted, oo.
reflected.
Sobrang favorite ko rin yun.
Oo,
Ang
sobrang
ganda
ganda
nung
nun.
camera work. And one shot lang siya.
Super.
Sinundan lang talaga.
Oo.
Tapos makikita mo yung huli ng camera para i-adjust, para makuha sa mirror.
Para lang
yung
masilip.
pagkahiwalay,
Oo.
tsaka magkasama. Ang ganda
Oo.
nung scene na
Correct.
yun. Favorite.
Sobrang ganda
Actually.
nung scene na yun. Kasi parang for me, it's also very reflective mirror of everything else that's happening. Alam mo yun, like AI, whatever is there, is just reflection siya of real life. Alam mo yun, everything that is in the AI world that you're seeing, yung mga tao na pinasok yung mga kapamilya nila or the people who decided na gusto nila ng AI counterpart for their families, everything that they're seeing is just, it's not real. It's just a reflection of who they are as people, but it's not the real thing. So after nun, sobrang parang, ang dami ng mga I mean, I don't know if it's intentional, but like, I've been noticing like a lot of like mirrored parang shots, parang ganun. And, I mean, yung
Lot of
palang parang
glass nga.
pinag-isipan nila yung context ng show na to in itself. Pero parang hindi nila pinush enough to have that real emotional depth na, kunyari, questioning ko yung pagkatao ko. Parang hindi sila umabot sa punto na ganun eh. Parang they decided na parang, okay, like the worst that can happen na lang is, magigising si Park Bo-gum, tapos malalaman niya na ito yung nangyari sa ano niya, sa girlfriend niya, and then that's it. Or for example, yung Harmony na binibilhan, sinispoil yung AI counterpart ng grandson niya, and it's actually like giving her a hard time in real
Harmful.
life kasi
Oo.
harmful siya for you. But like, we know that that's not the full extent of what this technology can do. Alam mo yon, to a person na parang I had hope na it would have gone that direction because it already set a platform. It already set a context na magiging philosophical siya. Parang ganun.
Mm.
Yun. But I mean, like, I appreciate na meron tayong pinupush na mga gantong thought processing. Kasi for me, like, may part din na naiyak ako na parang I mean, remembering all the people and animals that have, crossed my path din in my life. And alam mo yun na parang, oo nga, alam mo yun, parang like you go to your phone and then you just like watch the videos again because it's the only time you can relive those moments with them.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, na parang naiyak naman din ako, na parang, na may ganun din siyang hugot. But, yun nga, I had hoped na they would have like really pushed it as far as they could. And not be
Parang
too safe.
may kulang, no? Parang,
May kulang.
oo, parang kulang ng umami. Parang,
Oo,
okay naman eh,
parang may
pero hindi umabot
spice.
sa umami level.
Correct. I think nga yung spice na nito yung story ni Bailey, na parang she pushed too hard because she wanted to be with her daughter. Pero like in retro, parang like thinking about it again, parang are we supposed to like highlight her struggle? Her struggle isn't our struggle kasi AI na siya eh. Alam mo yon, na parang like sana perspective na lang, mas perspective nung taong nag-exist in reality yung pinapakita. And sana yun yung parang pinaka like climactic action nung film at hindi yung kay Bailey. Yun lang yung firming naisip ko din.
Can I jump on that train of thought lang? Or do you have anything to say to Pia? Yung kay Bailey, so it's basically AI thinking. And we've encountered that. Na, syempre AI, di ba yun yung takot ng lahat? Kasi syempre you're feeding it so much information that there will come a point that they can actually be on their own. Kaya, di ba? We all know all that. So, it seemed like that's what they were going for. Na umabot na sa ganong level si Bailey. Kaya she was able to puncture through the the firewall, and she was able to basically control what she wanted, an AI entity. Because ganon ka-well-fed yung information that they put in the system for her to exist. So, may ganon naman, parang napaisip din ako na parang, oh my gosh, I mean, made me think about our existence, humanity, like, artificial intelligence, like, are we really gonna head there, blah, blah, blah. But, agree, it was pretty brilliant, pero parang kulang, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Parang ganun. How about you, Pia? What do you think?
Actually, I have 2 questions. First, talagang si Wushik lang tsaka si Yumi yung nagpapatakbo nitong massive AI empire na to. Like, you can't freaking build a whole app with just 2 people. Kasi wala silang pinakita sa ating ibang tao, kundi silang dalawa lang. Pero parang, yung nag-glass lang na parang may mga taong naglalakad, which was even like unsure if those were real people or if they were AI. Parang ganon. So, that's question number 1. And question number 2, ang ganda-ganda ng cast, bakit nyo sinayang? Yun yung feeling ko. I guess that also relates to what Chancy is saying about, like, they didn't push it hard enough. Because, like, the thesis of the film is so clear about how people nowadays are so scared of AI. So, parang tinry niyang i-explore yun. So, you have the number one scare of people is that yung AI would be bigger than us. Matagal na natin nakita. Ano yung Eva? Yung Wall-E, di ba? Matagal na, di ba? Meron na tayong mga ganon. You always think that masyado siyang magiging bigger than us. And then, there's also, yung sa Harmony naman, it's about, kapag na-train mo yung AI a certain way, aabusuhin ka niya. It will be, because you're just training that entity, that thing, technology. So, hanggang sa yun yung nakasanayan niya at yun na lang at nang yun ang nangyayari sa kanya. And then, there's also that scare of like, yung sa kay Bae Suzy naman, is that, yung ideal mo, hindi siya laging napupunta sa real life. So, parang yung AI could be ideal, but that really can't translate to like, actual physical world.
Reality,
And, as somebody who I've been listening to a lot of AI podcasts lately, and I feel like even these people who are super advanced in the technology, they all agree that first, AI is not AI without what they call HI, which is human intelligence. And then second is that AI is already something that should be as important as kung tayo nung panahon natin, Microsoft Word, yun yung kailangan mo para exist sa mundo.
Function.
Word, Excel, diba? Para magtrabaho. Now, it's AI. So, like, masyado na siguro kasing hindi na siya masyadong thought-provoking the existence of AI. Kaya parang, yung pagkagamit nila ng ganun, kaya siguro bitin. Kasi yun nga yung sinasabi ni Trency na hindi niya na-push. Kasi alam na natin yan eh. Gets na natin na ganito yung nangyayari sa AI. And then with such great actors, sayang naman kasi ang dami pa sanang pwedeng ma-explore at pwede pang magawa with this one.
Yeah.
But also lang to add, yung parang nung sinasabi ni Trency about like, yung hindi mo nakita yung real world versus AI world. I feel like, siguro parang as a comm major, 'di ba? Parang Marshall McLuhan na sabi niya like technology is an extension of your being. So basically, 'di ba? Parang yung mata mo kung nakatingin ka sa camera, parang yung camera na yung nagiging mata mo. So parang yung pagka-seamless na ganun, it's just really showing us na AI is so freaking deeply integrated into our everyday world right now. So it's like that. Pero yun nga, parang I guess yun because right now, maybe if this film was shown several years ago, it would have been, whoa, ang galing. But maybe because now, AI has been such a huge part of our world, our lives, kaya siya nakakabitin. Kaya parang, and then, parang yun yung thoughts ko talaga kanina. Kasi yung start niya, nung nag-aano si Harmony, nung nag-decide siya na gagawin niya yun, as in sobrang nabitin ako dun kasi naiyak na talaga ako dun because like of recent losses that I've experienced, yung lalo na sa husband ko. Kaya sabi ko sa husband ko, wag mong panoorin. Kasi I thought it's gonna be like, oh no. Pero parang after nung scene na yun, parang nawala na. Parang wala na ako emotional connection to any of the characters of all the stories. Bakit ganun? Alam mo yun? Yun yung frustrating. Like, ang gagaling nila. I think it was beautifully shot. Pero bakit ang bitin? Ano ba yun? Bakit ganyan? Ayun, so those are my general thoughts.
Sasakyan ko yun ng mabilis. Maybe kasi parang they were trying too hard to show the effects to different people from different perspectives. Like parang kulang ng screen time to flesh out like the individual stories of the people. Like yes, we have the mains which is Bae Suzy, yung story nilang dalawa ni Park Bo-gum, and we have yung story ni Bailey. But then, like, yun nga, yung kay Harmony also has that effect eh. Parang yun nga, parang doon mo makita yung negative effect ng gantong technology affecting someone's longing. Alam mo yun, someone's pain. Alam mo yun, na parang hindi niya masyadong napakita. Na parang sayang, kasi parang, alam mo yun, ang ganda sanang sakyan, and then all of a sudden, spoiler alert, biglang, she died. Alam mo yun, parang, yun na yun, she died. Parang like, we could have like, sana hinimay pa natin ng konti yun. Like, I would have preferred, honestly, that than say, yung story nung kay Bailey. Kasi, in a way, parang, nasa AI world na siya eh. For me, parang ko like, I can't relate to her being in the AI world. Like, because I know for a fact that she's not human. Alam mo yun? Parang, pero actually, that also begs the question for me when it comes to like, existentialism. With this kind of technology ba, kung i-transpose mo yung pagkatao mo into the AI world. Alam mo yun? So you become like zeros and ones, in a massive computer complex. Parang, like, do you still exist as yourself? Is it still you at the end of the day? Na parang, yun yung question ko. Kasi parang, I guess that's my additional question. Na parang, like, you're telling me that Bailey is not human, but then now she is. Alam mo yun?
Because
In that
she
way.
broke the wall. And now,
Kasi she broke the
she
wall.
is. Parang ganon.
Oo, parang
Super
ganon.
gets.
Oo.
Maybe, first of all, wow, Marshall McLuhan, zeros and ones.
I know, right?
Smart
Theories.
episode.
It's smart and fun.
Sorry, I'm not fun.
I know.
Just like, throwing on theory out there.
yung sakyan ko lang yung kay Harmony na biglang namatay. Actually, medyo na-stun ako doon just because parang ang naging question kasi, so sinabi sa AI grandson na, patay na yung Harmony mo. And then, it's over. And then, they shut it down. Parang may onting, it's done. So, ibig sabihin, because they're shutting it down, he's not gonna exist. He had that look. He had a bit of a tear, I think, that I thought was really, well, because I love him. So, whatever he does, I'll always think that, you're so good. But he had a bit of a tear. And then, na-shut down siya. Nag-close yung screen. Parang, may na-feel ako na, shit, it's over. I mean, yung ganon. So, the abruptness of ending the service just like that, and in a way, even randomly, like out of nowhere, that made me think then about that. I mean, if we are to have this opportunity to have this kind of technology, it's still not forever because it can still shut down. There's the service kasi is a sort of a promise that you can live forever. But once the last loved one is gone, who is preserving, who is availing of the service, it's done. So, parang yun yung nakuha ko from that moment.
Yeah. See, that's the interesting part about it. Kasi you come into this world, but you don't know kasi you're dead. So, yun yung actually parang medyo weird part about it. Like, now that we're talking about this scene, parang ako like, bakit pa siya kailangan paalamanan in a way? Parang
like,
bakit may courtesy? Oo, kasi kumaga technically, you should still treat, they in a way kind of still treat that person as non-existent. Like, for example, si Bay Suzy, she was like, I wanna shut it down. Shut down. Alam mo yun, parang never naman nagkaroon ng experience na, or like a scene na inexplain kay astronaut Park Bogum na, hey, we're shutting you down. And then at the same time, parang na-control pa nga yung pag-alis niya sa world Kasi ni-request ni Suzy sa kanila na pabalikin na siya sa mundo.
To let
na
him
in a way,
fall.
actually, it's not really for him. It's for her. It's for her own guilt. Na parang, okay, he's coming back. And nagkaroon na actually ng connection yung reality niya and yung AI, reality Bogum niya and si AI Bogum, na he is finally in the same world that she is. Because she brought him down from space.
Super gets. Or what if that scene worked if sinabi nila na ang request ng Harmony mo is sabihin sa'yo na patay na siya? Because that would kind of makes sense. Because she was doting on him. Kung may ganon. But they never did. I guess they tried to make it like abrupt and I mean, something to like kind of buzz your senses. But I guess it didn't work. But yeah, I think I would have appreciated it if they did that. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Since we're in the scene work na rin, gusto ko lang i-share though na yung hinanap ko this entire time, at least especially with Bailey's story, yung sa mom, kasi yung kwento nga niya is, in-avail niya yung service, alam niyang mamamatay siya, so obviously alam ng nanay niya na mamamatay siya, but she will still exist for the daughter, who does not know that she's gone. We have so many moments, yung questioning ng mom, na alam niya na hindi totoo si Bailey, and like, question niya na tama ba yung ginagawa ko sa granddaughter ko for her to continue thinking that she's alive and all that. But sobrang brilliant ng acting ni Nina Po. Hindi ko alam kung intentional, but sana oo. Kasi ang nakikita ko lang sa mukha niya is wala siyang chance to grieve. Because obviously it's a difficult time, diba?
Yeah.
And But now she's thinking, all she's thinking about is the granddaughter na tama ba yung ginagawa namin, na pinaniniwalaan nila na buhay pa siya. Kaya nung umiyak siya, yung ganda, sobrang naiyak ako nung nag-usap na si Bailey sa end na, sorry mom, I'm sorry that I'm making you go through this. Maybe in the next life, I can be your mom naman and I promise to take care of you. Tapos umiyak siya. Kasi yun yung grief. Yun yung finally nakita ko na nag-grieve siya for her daughter.
Yeah.
So, parang bumalik pa rin tayo sa idea of this whole service that we are dealing with the finality of our existence. And grief is part of it, diba?
Yes.
So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-applaud si Nina po. Kasi ang ganda nun. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya doon.
Yeah.
Ang ganda nga nun. I really like that. And then, like, gusto ko rin yung may snot na siya. Dito yun talaga itong, parang like, in the moment kind of scenario. Like,
Tapos na-imagine ko parang nahuli lang nila. Parang hindi, feeling ko, hindi in-expect ng lahat na ganun yung outcome. May ganun parang meron talagang acting na alam mong lumabas lang out of nowhere na hindi mo in-expect. And na-feel ko din talaga yon sa eksenang yon for her. Anyway, so I guess it's my turn about my question whether or not I like the film. And funny because coming into this, I was leaning towards no. I mean, hindi naman hard no, pero parang hindi ko siya favorite. But then, even with our discussions now, na even yung complaints natin na everything looked fake, felt fake. But isn't that artificial intelligence also? I don't know if it was intentional na they made it look so clean and so bright and TVC-like and
but
wala yung grit and all that. I still wanna fight pa rin na there are ways to do a treatment na ganun pa rin. Kasi somehow, it kind of felt like they went the easy route.
Yun nga.
Parang ganon.
Sorry, sakyan ko lang ng mabilis yung thought process mo na yan.
Go lang.
Kasi I mean, gets naman na the AI is like the theme of the show and all that. Pero yung pinaka-core naman kasi talaga nito is human emotion Alam mo yun? And that's what they're trying to show na, like, when people grieve, people are in turmoil. That's why they make, rash decisions. That's why they satisfy their own needs. They don't even think about other people anymore because they're so consumed by this pain that they're going through. But then, yun nga, in terms of treatment, they didn't show that turmoil that people go through. Because it's just all clean. End of the day, magulo ang tao Hindi siya ganun kalinis. Na parang, I feel, yun yung sagot ko sa mo, na parang, sana at least may padaplis doon. Na parang like, amidst all the cleanliness of the future world, alam mo yon yung very smooth surfaces of the future and all that, na parang, pakita pa rin natin na magulo maging tao. Because that is just who we are.
Correct. Or maybe, it would have been effective to yung sa grit nga. Kasi, naalala ko yung Her. Yung Her, when it came out, so everyone was so in love with that film. And they really made it, ang ganda ng pagka-futuristic ng Her. Kasi parang it still felt, it was retro-futuristic really. So it still felt familiar and old, but hyper-realistic, ganon. For this one, parang I feel like maybe they kind of wanted to go for the usual sleek, futuristic look. When in fact, maybe they shouldn't have even tried that hard. Just because, I mean, now, it's still a dirty world out there. We're still not, we still don't have screen doors na LED panel pala siya. But we have AI. Alam mo yun, we have access to it. It's already existing. So maybe possible, like what if they didn't try too hard to make it too future clean? It would have felt closer to home, if that makes sense. Parang ganon. Ayun. So, maybe that's one of my questions. Actually, lahat ng mga question ko, medyo nasagot niya na rin ng mga tanong mo. yung third question ko actually is, do you think that we are headed towards this kind of future? Like, do you think this is a kind of technology that will end up having, like in the film? And do you want to go there? That's my last question for the night.
Mhm.
Ako, I think we're already there. Parang, I think we're already here. Parang, I mean, like, di ba parang may app before na parang they can take like old photos and make them move. So a lot of
Yeah,
people
yeah.
were using it to take photos of like, loved ones that passed away, tas pinapagalaw nila, and then may ibang tao pa nga
Oo.
na parang older people who lost their parents, for example, in a time na wala pang video or wala silang access to like, camera recording. And then this is the
Yeah.
first time in years that they've seen like their parents, loved ones, lovers na gumagalaw. And then like you can really see them like being very emotional about it. I mean, that is Wonderland. Alam mo yun, that's
That's
exactly
true.
the same kind of emotion that it is evoking. It's just that the show, how it is portrayed, is just a little bit more complex. Kasi mundo na siya. Alam mo yun, na kinagagalawan. I think nandun na tayo. Ako for me, do I wanna get there? I
Like,
think
avail of it if,
parang
like,
ako, I
exactly
don't
like
know
it.
if I wanna avail. Ay, hindi ko pa alam. Wala pa ako sa point of view. Kasi wala pang existing Pero, parang feeling ko as a world, if it will be an option. And I think a lot of people will want to avail of it. Parang, feeling ko, wala komplikado tao eh. Alam mo yun? Parang,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes the pain is just too much. We want to try to find a way to alleviate it.
Yeah.
And if this will help, then, okay. Alam mo, pero I mean, as with, AI now, 'di ba? Parang they're trying to find ways also to like figure out the legalities of it.
Yeah.
How to make sure that, people are protected. And not just like people, existing people, but also like make sure na regulated siya. I mean, marami ng stories
Mm-hmm.
ngayon. Dadaplisan pa ba natin yung current scandal sa South Korea about like deep
Korea.
fakes and all that stuff. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, so regulation lang talaga para yung mga um for example like yung kay Bae Suzy, 'di ba? Parang kumbaga define niya kung sino si Park Bo-gum eh. Alam mo yun, and use his image to her own will. Alam mo yun, for her own benefit. So regulations lang as to how people will use this technology is probably what is needed. But I think we're on the way there.
And I guess, adding lang to that, parang I guess
Mm-mm.
also figuring out the repercussions. Because parang you're feeding, in a way,
Exactly.
you're feeding your delulu eh. And that's not
Mm-mm.
healthy.
Patay.
Yeah.
Alam natin yan, guys. Diba? Pumasok din yan sa isip ko while watching the film. I'm like, wow, this is just like when we delulu about, tut, 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 tut. Anyway. So, how do you deal with that? Because, I mean, obviously, like, for the grandma, diba, yun yung, naging thing niya, she really fell into the rabbit hole. That's why she kept on purchasing all these add-ons kasi pinaniwalaan niya talaga na buhay yung grandson niya. Although, gusto ko lang idagdag. Naisip ko lang pala, nung eksena na, yung inadmit na ni Bailey sa anak niya, na patay talaga siya. Kasi yung reaction ng anak niya was, well, ang reading ko was that she accepted it, or she knew, and accepted it, and just said, okay, but just read me stories before I go to bed. And that made me think about how our children now are so exposed. This is so cheesy, but I feel like that's like a take on like how the kids now, they're so exposed to these kinds of thoughts, these technologies, na hindi na siya nakagulat. Parang, alam mo yun, parang andali niyang inaccept napatay na yung nanay niya.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of even deeper questioning, leading towards that path. Pero, medyo natuwa ako na dinagdag nila yon kahit little bit lang. Ayun.
Yeah.
How about you, Pia? Thoughts on the
Ako,
existing AI?
I agree that we're kind of there, but parang in terms of like availing of it, ako personally, I would really just say no. Because you know what they say, that grief is the price you have to pay for love. And
Yes.
that process is really very important for you to be able to understand. That's why, like, when you reminded us of that scene of the daughter and the mom, it felt like, looking back, when looking back at the scene, it felt like she didn't understand what it meant. Because
Mm.
maybe for her, her mom really just existed on a screen. So what does
Mm-mm.
death mean?
Oh, oo.
Parang, 'di ba? Kasi they didn't really spend time together, 'di ba? So
Yeah.
yun, na parang I would love to be able to, those cheesy stories na before you die, you get to plan, like, make these videos so that your granddaughter, whatever, could watch it on their wedding day. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
But like, maybe that would be the extent for me. Like, maybe I'd make a video. I don't know. But like, personally, I wouldn't want to avail of this service because kung ano na yung existence ko on earth, yun na lang yung alalahanin. Ayoko
Mm.
nang pumunta pa dun sa ganun. So, I guess like, Eric, Thena, no. Hindi ako papayag. Alam nyo, Leo ako, madami ako selfie, madami akong mga video, ibibigay ko sa
Oo.
inyo. Yun na lang.
Mm-mm.
So, there.
Okay, I'm
Ako
gonna
too.
change up my answer a bit. More of like, what if, because technically the service kasi you can avail it for yourself. Just like si Musong, the guy
Yeah.
nga, the Hawaiian vacation
Yeah.
guy,
Mm-mm.
na siya talaga yung nag-plot na ito ang gusto kong mangyayari pag mamatay ako. But for most of it, most of the other service, or at least yung common na feel ko, sorry, Bailey. Hala, no, joke lang. Anyway, ang point ko lang naman is, if I avail of the service, what if like, I don't know, ang sakit siguro kung tao ka, tas parang walang gustong mag-avail ng service just cause hindi na nila kailangan makita ikaw pag patay ka na.
Grabe
Parang ganun.
naman.
Mm.
Wala lang. Just the thought. I mean, I know
Yeah,
naman
yeah.
meron
Gets.
mag-avail.
Yeah,
Kayo subscribe kayo
Yeah.
Gcash. Pero what if may ganon,
To see
diba?
Funmon.
What if may
Yeah,
ganon?
pero end of the day naman, you
I
wouldn't know
mean,
because you're dead. And you don't know that you're AI.
Totoo
Hindi mo na
naman.
alam.
Okay.
Na
Hindi
si
ko
Dino
iniisip.
pala, of all people, ang nag-subscribe sa'yo.
Correct. Oo, grabe. So actually, come to think of it, paano kunwari, di ba nga, may tanong ako,
Oo.
paano kunwari, like, patay ka na, di ba? Tapos mag-a-avail ka nga nito. Pero hindi yung purpose mo isn't for your loved ones, but for YouTube. So, kumbaga, content creator ka,
For you
pero
to
you're
what?
dead.
Sorry?
YouTube.
YouTube.
So, parang content creator ka, pero you're dead.
Saan
my God,
pupunta
that's
yung pera?
interesting.
Paano sila gagawa ng
ano?
brand deals?
Hindi, ang
Para sa
mangyayari
pamilya.
dyan, para sa pamilya
Or
niya.
charity.
Ganon. And although, yeah, parang ganon. Tsaka parang wala ng brand deals, I guess. Kasi, I mean, unless na lang may nagko-control sa'yo, parang, yun nga, parang bibilhan ka ng mga kotse, parang yun na yung extent or something. And then maybe they can convert it into actual cash. I don't know. Pero paano kung ganon? Pwede kaya yun.
Wow, that's an interesting take, I mean,
meron naman ngayon mga AI na boy group, 'di ba? Tsaka girl group.
Correct.
'Di ba?
Slave.
There's
True.
Plave exists.
Mm-mm.
May mga dance challenge pa nga sila with actual idols. Why not?
Correct. Oo.
tama. It's a very, very creepy thought, but at the same time, hindi ako magugulat kung may magiging ganyan.
Diba? Pwede.
What about you guys, audience? What do you think of this thought? I mean,
Mm-hmm.
how will you handle it? Like, I really, really want to know. Like, I can't decipher actually kung anong thoughts ko on this. Pero malamang ikiklik ko pa rin just to find out kung may ma-encounter ako ng ganong klaseng content. But is this something
Tapos hindi niya
that we
makakancel
should...
yung subscription niya.
Oo. Correct.
Magugulat siya araw-araw may tumatawag sa kanya. Ano ba to? Hindi ko pa na-cancel.
Or kahit parang every day may 10 pesos nawawala sa GCash, ganun.
Correct!
Tapos di mo napapansin.
Correct! Totoo yan.
But anyway, this is a kind of reality that wouldn't surprise me na mangyayari siya. But is this something that we want to get into or we want to be okay about, I guess? So, ayun, tanong ko yan din for the audience. Do let us know sa comments. And if you have other comments on the film, questions about this film, we'd also love to know because, again, we had a lot today, a lot of questions, and I think we had a lot of answers. But at the end of the day, kahit nasagot yung ibang mga tanong natin, it still feels like a lot of questions. It feels like that. Alam mo yun? Parang, honestly, parang satisfied naman ako sa mga discernments natin in this session. Pero hindi pa rin ako satisfied. Does that make sense? Or maybe, is this a take on
cognitive
what they're trying
dissonance
to do? Is this like, ano rin? Kasi parang, essentially, by availing of this service, the Wonderland service, it's you wanting to be something else. Or, basically, you're dissatisfied. Like, you don't want to be dead yet. You don't want to grieve. You want to continue what you know of. Ganon. So, is this intentional? I wonder if ganun talaga yung effect ng movie na gusto sa atin na, alam mo yun,
siguro with that in
tayo ng
mind,
ganito.
I think, ang learning na lang dito, jumping from what you said, parang a big theme din kasi na feel ko is like second chances for this. Like second chance to be a better person to the people that you leave behind. Parang ganun. Leaving a better memory of you. Parang ganun. Pero, rounding it all up, with this discussion, end of the day, parang mas importante is to live the life that you are living now and live it the best way that you can. There's no second chance.
Said. Beautifully said. Agree. How about you, Pia? Do you have any final thoughts on the film?
It's a good way to, I guess, maintain this conversation. It wasn't really a conversation starter. I guess yun siya. Mid lang siya all around. It was just so mid. But everything was so stellar. But everything just, I mean, like, with the cast, with like, even the sets, pero parang, ang mid, yun lang. Anyway, that's my final words. Such a mid film.
It is a mid film. And that is our review. And if... It's a mid film. It's mid. And if you agree, let us know why you agree. And if you don't agree, please let us know why we think we should think otherwise.
Yes. Agree.
We shall wait for that in the comments. Woohoo! So that concludes our thoughts on the film Wonderland, and we hope you enjoyed this discussion. Sana you can join us too. Of course, it's not over. We can still keep on talking about this film in the comment section, so we can't wait to know your thoughts on the film. But for now, of course, hindi magtatapos ang ating episode without a fun game because this is fun. Fun. So I invented this game. It's called a spelling game. Not because we have to spell, but basically, I will be spelling out a word. And when I call out each letter, I want Pia and Trency to say the first thing or thought or person or anything that comes to mind that starts with that letter. And kung ano man yung unang maisip nila on that letter, yon ay magiging parte ng menu nila for the Wonderland service that they will avail. Kung sakaling we end up availing. Sabi ni Pia, no, but I am forcing her to try to check the options
for
out.
this game.
Menu
Trial
checking
period.
lang naman eh. Trial period, tama. Hindi pa naman magbabayad eh. May 1 month.
Free cancellation.
7 days.
Tama. So, wala lang, para fun. And dapat mabilis. So, kunyari, if I say A, The first thing, sabihin nyo agad. Like, I
Okay.
won't say go. Just say it out loud agad. Let's start.
Okay.
All right. And 3, 2, 1, W.
Whiskey.
Water.
Oh! Tama naman. Oh!
Oxygen.
O is oranges for vitamin
Wa-
C.
All right. N.
Nai, my sister.
Oh!
Wala akong maisip na N. What starts with an N?
Nanatur.
Yes, Nanator then. Wala akong
The
maisip.
tour itself.
Oo.
Yes.
Letter D.
My dad.
Drag queen. Uy, hindi si DK.
Oo nga, yung si DK. Mas importante ko kay DK. Wow.
Oh.
E. Letter E.
E.
Eric.
E. I will bring electric fan because it might be hot.
Letter R.
R. Ramyon.
Refrigerator.
Yeah.
Para mas madami pagkain.
Oo.
So, kay refrigerator. Dapat yung refrigerator.
Okay, next. Letter L.
Love.
Land Cruiser. Oh, di ba? Para kung gusto ko mag-escape,
Correct.
maganda yung sasakyan ko.
Correct.
Oo, tama.
Di Hyundai.
Sorry, yun
Oo.
day.
Ako gusto ko love. So, si DK.
Oh.
Oh, dadala ko pa rin
Okay,
siya.
nasama pa rin siya.
Okay, sige. And letter A. Turut, turut.
A.
Agoda.
Travel of A.
Magbubuk. Ganyan.
My
A.
A. My
A.
A. Android laptop phone.
Letter N. Turut, turut.
N?
N? N
Oo.
ulit? Na.
N ulit?
Na.
Um,
Oo.
a nail salon.
Wow.
Why don't I know any N-words? Like, I
N
swear, I
wrong
don't
G.
know.
New jeans.
No, wrong G. Na, new jeans.
Okay.
New jeans.
Yung grupo o bagong jeans talaga?
yung grupo.
Yung grupo.
Para masaya kami.
Para may entertainment. And finally, letter D.
D. My...
O yan, pwede na niya kunin si DK.
Di, okay, nandun na yung
D.
love. Oo.
Dragon.
D.
Oh.
Dragon. Sa akin ko ulit, girl. Panglipad. D. Doors. So, I can open to many rooms. Importante yun doon.
With your love.
Oo, with my
Oh,
love.
tama. And obviously, I spelled out the word Wonderland because
Wonderland.
so fun, so original. But that was kind of
Grabe.
fun, right?
Parang di ako may masaya sa Wonderland. Nagdala ko ng pintuan, guys.
Basta ako may whiskey na ako, masaya na ako. Okay na.
Oo. Ang ganda, no? Kasi sa'yo whiskey, sa akin water. Kasi for you,
Kaya
whiskey
nga,
is
parang
water.
napaisip ako. It is the water
Okay
of
lang
life.
yan.
Yeah.
Okay lang
Yeah.
yan. Siyempre, pag first thoughts, imagine, gun pointed to your head. Para, anong gusto mo? Parang ganun yung thought process ko for coming up with this game. Sana nakilaro din kayo. DM, naglaro ka rin ba?
Oo.
Sabihin mo
Shout
sa
out
amin, mga
talaga
sagot
eh.
mo. Anong W mo?
Oo, correct. And yeah, that's our game and that is our episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, let us know if you have more thoughts on the film. And if you have, paulit-ulit ko na sinasabi, sabihin nyo lang sa comments because we are in social media. You can follow us on our socials. We are on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you are enjoying our content, we'd love your support. Please hit that follow button and give us 5-star reviews on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Your feedback helps us grow and brings more amazing content your way. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Shegoya, Saranghe!
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 Thanks,
guys!
Salamat!
Bye!
Ikaw, Mon, what's your W?
W, walrus.
Why?
Hindi ko alam.
Ano
First
ang
thought
walrus?
nga diba? O, octopus. Wow, gusto ko pala ng zoo. And,
Why not an otter?
kasi may
Kasi
D
yung
mamaya.
octopus,
Okay.
Ayan.
Sorry.
N, I want Nicaragua. D, Dino.
damn, girl!
E, I want a country.
What a country?
E, I want eggs. R,
Yes.
I want a Rolls Royce. Why?
Wow, girl,
Wow.
tinalo Land Cruiser mo!
I know.
Oo nga eh. Pero,
L.
ang Rolls Royce ni Mon, siya yung magdadrive.
Correct.
Walang
Chauffeur
driver.
pala siya, chauffeur.
Correct. L, I want lazy boy seats.
Importante.
A, I want an empire.
Empire? I know it's an empire of Am.